Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's training session for grade 7. We'll start soon. Maybe we'll wait for another minute and we'll start for today's session. Yes. Okay, so again, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, so we're, we're, we're gonna start with the first question of the day. I'll give everyone a minute to solve it. And yes, take your time. Okay, so our 1 minute has ended. So we'll start with question 1. So question 1, they ask us to find the value of the following expression, which is 2020 times 2020 minus 2019 times 2021. So there's a lot of ways to do this actually. So the easiest way, you can actually just multiply both of them together. So like 2020 times 2020, you'll get 4,080,900, and 2019 times 2021, you'll get 4,080,399, and you just subtract both of them together and you'll get the answer 1. Or you can make the problem more easier to look. So first you can put it by let x equals to 2020. So this one is 2020. So this is x and this is also x. So when x times x, you'll get x squared, and 2019 is equals to 2020 minus 1, which is x minus 1, while 2021 equals to 2020 plus 1 equals to x plus 1. So put all of them into the equation, to put into the expression, you'll get x squared minus x minus 1 factor x plus 1. From here, you can actually just expand this, or you can use the formula where minus b times a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So if you substitute this formula inside this, you'll get x squared minus x squared minus 1. You multiply the negative signs in, you'll get x squared minus x squared plus 1. And x squared minus x squared, it's 0. So you'll get the answer 1, which is C. Okay, so any questions? If no, we'll move to the next question. Okay, I assume everyone has understand that. Okay, for the second question, I'll give everyone a minute and a half to do it. So good luck and answer the poll if you got the answer. Okay, so our 90 seconds has ended. We'll start solving this problem. So to make this problem easier to look, you can replace this apples by A and orange by B. So you'll get 3A plus with 4B equals to $10.9. And another one is 5A plus with 7B equals to $18.9. From here, you can take, let's say this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So you can take the second equation minus the first equation. You'll get 5A plus 7B times 5A plus 7B minus 3A plus 4B equals to 18.9 minus 10.9. From here, you can multiply the negative signs inside. So negative time 3A and negative time 4B. So you'll get 5A plus with 7B minus 3A minus 4B equals to 18.9 minus 10.9. You'll get $8. And simplify this, you'll get 2A plus with 3B equals to $8. Let this equals to equation 3. So from the problem, they asked for 9 apples and 13 orange, which is 9A plus with 13B equals to how much? So you can see from equation 2 and equation 3, um, when you multiply the equation 3 by 2 both sides, you'll get 4A plus with 6B. So when 2 times with equation 3, by this you need to multiply both sides, so you get 4A plus with 6B equals to 2 times 8 which is $16. And when you take equation 2 plus with equation 3, you'll see that it's 5A plus with 7B plus with 4A plus 6B equals to 18.9 plus with $16. And this one you'll get 9A plus with 13B equals to 34.9, which is what they are asking for here. So the answer is 34.9, which is D. There's also another way. If you don't want to do this way, you can just look at equation 2, which is 5A plus with 7B equals to 18.9. You can just find A or B from here. So from I will find A. So you'll get 5A equals to 18.9 minus 7B, and A equals to 18.9 minus 7B over 5. From here, you can substitute A into the first equation. So you'll get 3 times 18.9 minus 7B over 5 plus with 4B.
បានលុយណាបរិញ្ញាហ្នឹងបរិញ្ញាគេបរិញ្ញា free ណា
And you'll get the answer, which is 10.9. From here, you can find B actually. So you just multiply 3 in and simplify the fraction 5. So you'll take 4B times 5 and take that denominator 5 to the other side. So it's multiplied by 5. You'll get 50 54 point sorry 18.9 is sorry it's 56.7 minus 21B plus with 20B equals to 10.9 multiplied by 5, which is 54.5. You can simplify it, so you're gonna put the 56.7 to the other side and simplify it. So you'll get this one is negative b equals to negative 2.2, which is b equals to 2.2. And you can substitute that into a here, and you'll get a equals to 0.7. And you can just substitute that to what they're asking, which is 9a plus with 13b. 13b equals to 9 times 0.7. Sorry. 9 times 0.7 plus with 13 times 2.2, which you'll get the same answer, $34.9. In this question, does anyone has any problem with it? Yeah, I assume everyone has understand it, and we'll move on to the third question. So from the third question, you can see that there's two lines parallel to each other, cut by one transversal. So from here, you can get a property that this angle is equals to angle D here. So this one is D. Y, it's a corresponding angle. And you can say that A plus D equals to 180 degrees. From here, you can find angle E. So I'll give everyone 2 minutes to solve it, and submit your answer in the polls. Yes. Okay, so our 2 minutes has ended, and I'll solve this question. So for question 3, it says that In the following diagram, D1 and D2 is parallel to each other, and angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 460. So they're asking for angle E. So like I said before, angle A plus with angle D equals to 180 because it's on a straight line. Sorry. So if you look in this triangle here, you'll see that this angle is actually equals to 180 minus B. Why? Because it's a straight line and this angle is equal to B. So we get this angle is equal to 100 minus B, and so also to this triangle, which is 100 minus C. From here, you can find angle E. So angle E equals to the sum of the sum of angles in the triangle, which is 180 minus with minus 180 minus B minus 180 minus C. But from the problem, they stated that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 460. So we got that A plus D equals to 180. So we can find angle B plus with angle C equals to 460 minus 180, which is 260 280. And from this expression, you can multiply the negative signs in. So you'll get 180 minus 180 plus with B minus 180 plus with C. This 180 will simplify each other, which you'll get B plus C minus 180. But from here, from above, you can find that B plus C equals to 280. So we got 280 minus 180, which is 100 degrees. So yes, anyone has any questions related to the question? Okay, so someone asked, how do I get B plus C equals 280? So like I said again, from here, this angle, A plus D equals to 180, because A and D lies on the same straight line here, same straight line D1, and angle D is equals from here because it's a corresponding angles. It's a property from when two lines are parallel to each other, cut by one transversal. So from what is given, we got A plus B plus C plus D equals to 460. And A plus D equals to 180. So you'll get B plus C plus 180 equals to 460. 460. And you can move 180 to the other side, and you'll get B plus C equals to 460 minus 180, and you'll get B plus C equals to 280. Okay, so I suppose everyone has understand that question, and we'll move on to the next question. For question 4, there's a sequence in this sequence. When you find the difference between it, you'll get another sequence, and in that another sequence, you'll find the difference from it also, and you'll get another sequence. And then in the last sequence, you'll find the common difference between each terms of the sequence, and you can find the next number here. I'll give everyone a minute to solve this. Good luck. Okay, so our 1 minute has ended, and I'll start solving this problem for you. Okay, so like I said, there's a sequence in a sequence in a sequence. So all you need is to find the common difference between the first sequence and then the second sequence and then the last sequence. So the first sequence here, you can find that the common difference is 5. And from 1940 to 1948, you can find a common difference is 8, and this one is 14, this one is 23, and this one is 35. So this common difference means that when you take 190 in 1935 plus with 5, you'll get 1940. When you take 1940 plus with 8, you'll get 1948. When you take 1948 plus with 14, you'll get 1962, and so on. And in each of them, there's also a sequence also. So difference between 5 and 8 is 3. Difference between 8 and 14 is 6. And difference between 14 to 23 is 9. And 23 to 35 is 12. Like before, to get 8, you take 5 plus with 3. So plus, you'll get 8. 8 plus with 6, you'll get 14. 14 plus with 9, you'll get 23. And 23 plus with 12, you get 35. And again, in the last sequence, there's a common difference. So from this to this, there are 3 difference, and 3 difference. So if all of them are difference by 3, so the next sequence here is gonna be difference by 3 also. So you'll take 12 plus with 3, you'll get 15, and so on. You'll take 35 plus with 15, you'll get 50, and 2020 plus with 50, you'll get 2070, which is the answer A. Anyone understand it? Okay. So I'll explain this again. Okay, so like when I say we need to find the difference between each sequence, so first you'll take 1940 minus with 1935, you'll get 5. So from this term to this term is 5 difference, and you'll take 1948 minus 1940, you got 8. So difference between 1948 to 1940 is 8, and so on. This is um wait, sorry, this is 5, 8, this is 14, this is 23, and this is 35. And again, in this sequence, in this new sequence, you'll find a common difference also. So from 8 to 5, there's is 3 difference. 3 difference. From 14 to 8, you'll have 6 difference. And from 23 to 14, you'll have 9 difference. And from 23 to 35, you'll have 12 difference. So how does this difference work? So like to get 8, you need to take both of this plus with together, you'll get 8. You'll take 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, you'll get 14. 14 plus 9, you'll get 23. And 23 plus 12, you'll get 35. So to get this next number, you're gonna plus with another number that we are finding here, and you'll get that answer. So 35 plus the unknown number, you'll get this number here. And so that's it also goes with this second sequence. So it plus together, you'll get the answer, plus together, you'll get the answer, plus together, you'll get the answer till the end. So to find this next number that we are finding here, the next term here, you're gonna take 2020 plus with this unknown number that we are finding soon, and you'll get that answer. So in the last sequence here, in this last sequence, you can find the difference between each of them are 3, 3, and 3. So in the sequence, if the difference is 3 and 3 and 3, the next one is also difference by 3. So you'll take 12 plus with 3, you'll get 15. And from this, you'll take 35 plus with 15, you'll get 50. like I explained earlier. And the last one, you'll take 20 plus with 50, you'll get 2070. And the answer is A. Do you understand? Okay. Okay. So looks like our session has ended now. It's 8:02. Thank you everyone for joining me today, and I'll send solutions to the group later tonight. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your night, and good luck for SASMO.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.